Before sanding, we have to take everything out of the kitchen.
Now for the best part, staining.
Ooh, do they look nice?
There used to be a wall that was dividing the kitchen and entryway, but as soon as you would walk in through the front door, you were crammed in between this massive cabinet and the wall. So we did the logical decision and smashed it into pieces, tore it all down. But now we were left with this radiator right in the middle of everything. Now to deal with it, we have a couple options. We could cut and reroute the radiator line, but that's kind of complicated and I don't really know how to do that. Or we can leave it in place and figure out a solution around it. So we had the idea of a half wall. But this half wall is not your ordinary half wall. It has this special little feature. My idea to build it is quite simple. I'm just gonna sandwich a board in between two walls. Okay, now let's build it. The floor's a little wonky, so we gotta straighten things out. I was able to salvage the doors on the old cabinet, and now it seems fitting to use them as the pocket door. To get the proper length for the door, I have to join them together. And now to make the door sexy, we are designing a pattern and we'll use the CNC to cut it all out. Files loaded, machine calibrated, just got to set up the dust collection and pray to the machine gods that all goes well. Screwed up already. Does its job. I need an easier way of opening the door, as well as a latch to secure it. This is what I came up with. It's this little tab that when you pull on it, it will extend and you can drag it and it will latch and secure it into the other side.
What a nice gate we have.
Closing the gate on this part, up next the cover.
If you guys like us, you'll most definitely like my sister and her family. So go check out their YouTube and Instagram because they're traveling around the world to the most beautiful spots with a toddler in a van.